Hey, also, Bunker Indust sent us this 3/4 inch D-ring shackle with isolator for us to test out. We got a 2-pack, and so we turned it over to Robert to test. Now, one of the first things you notice is exactly how beefy it is. Plus, it's got a really nice rubber insert on the inside and nice smoothed edges on the inside. And a really, really nice aggressive look on the outside compared to the one that he took off, which is just a pretty standard D-ring. Besides the double D-ring kit, that's great if you have weld-on mount points for it. They do also sell ones that do come with a shank. Robert's going to use it on his existing shank. And as many of you know, Robert and his Ascent are often the recovery vehicle for our adventures. So stay tuned because we will be getting a lot of use out of these. So if you're looking for a D-ring shackle to use on your OEM Subaru hitch, we definitely recommend them. Also take a look because they also have soft shackles as well, which are definitely something that you're going to want to have a successful and safe recovery if you're out there on the trails and you need to do a recovery or be recovered.
That was so uneventful. I know, right?
And they also look really awesome.